Hi everyone, we are given here 4-digit number. So your task here, your given here, your task here is 4-digit number in general. To be found from the numbers given, you got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 without repetition. So after one number is used, we cannot repeat it. So our choices will be getting less. So how many ways that the number can be found if each number is less than 5,000. So for the question A, so your task is building 4-digit numbers and less than 5,000. So if you less than 5,000 means your first position with condition. So if you want to less than 5,000 means your numbers can be selected start from 1,000, 2,000 something, 3,000 something, 4,000 something. So not more. If you start with 5, add up at the back here will be 5,000 something. So therefore, our choices for the first position just have 4. So the number of ways when we're dealing with numbers, we will calculate the position by choices. So we will calculate on, our priority will calculate on the position with restriction. So like let's say you want less than 5,000, which means that the position here that have limited choices is happen at the first place. So therefore we calculate here, we have 4 choices of number. So which is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So this is numbers of way, 4 choices of the number times. Continue because our task have to finish the 4-digit times. So for the second choices, for the second place here, you have how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have numbers of the digits is 7. Once you already selected 1 for the first place, so the remaining for the second place here will be 6 because you cannot repeat the numbers. You will have one number already done in the first place. So 7 total digit we can use here is 7. So 1 already done at the first place. Therefore the second place only leaving 6 choices. Continue. For the third place here, so you already done 2 place digit. With the 7 choices of the number, you done 2 place of the digit. So now you have remaining 5 choices. So whatever number also can randomly because we don't have any restriction from here. Then lastly, when you want to do for the digit number 4 here, so you have total of choices 7. We done 3 place means we have to minus out three number that we have been used in the first place, second place, and third place. So for the fourth place here, we only remaining 4 choices. So therefore, we use multiplication principle to indicate that this is our process of the process of forming out it. So we need to multiply to have a continuous process until we finish the task and up with 4 digits. So therefore, we have 480 ways. For the task B, so still 4 digit. So our main question saying 4 digits means our task have to fulfill up to 4 digits. It begin with digit 4 and digit 6. So here we can accept 4 or 6. Therefore, the number of way we calculate one by one. For the first place here, we have 2 choice. For the second place here, you can see we have total up 7 numbers. Once you done the first place, means you just remain 7. 7 minus 1 choice. So whether 4 or whether 6 doesn't matter as long as we already use one number at the first place here. So 7 of choices. Use one number in the first place, we remain 6 choices. Continue. For the third place here, so 7 already used 2 numbers in the first and second place. We have 5 choices. Multiply. Continue until we finish the task. So here we have remaining 4 because 7 we already used up 3 number to fill out this place. So the remaining choices is 4. So we will use multiplication principle will be easier to calculate our total of choices. So we have this question as 240 ways. And we continue. for the question C, so still 4 digit. They say it is between 2000 something and 6000. So we can put 2000 something, 2000 something, 4000 something, 5000 something, but not start with 6. Because when we start with 6, when we put in other value at the back, it will become 6000 something. So it will be over 6000 value. Okay, so to find the number of way, we see how many choices we can form up. So for the first place here with the conditional, with the condition situation, we have 4 choices. So again, 7 numbers, use up 1 for the first place, we have remaining 6 choices. Then use out another one at the second place, we have remaining 5. And then use out for the 3 one, we have remaining 4. So we have 480 ways. And lastly, for question D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digit, and it must be odd number. So when we come to odd number, means the end digit here to be odd. As long as whatever combination of the number, the end here is odd, automatic the whole value will be odd, like 25. So as long as the back here is odd, 45, 15, so whatever value in front here, as long as the back here is odd number, the whole value will be odd number. So your keyword here to be odd. So to choose the number with odd, which is 1, 3, 5. So we have 3 choices here, 1, 3, 5. It might be 1, it might be 3, it might be 5. So when we want to find the number of ways, we will consider the situation with the condition here. So here we have 3 choices only. And we back to the randomly choices. Total we have 7. We use 1 for the last place. So we have remaining 6 choices for the first place. And then for the second place, we have remaining 5 because 7 use 1 for the back and use another one from the front. So 7 choices now, remaining 5 choices of the numbers. And for this, we have 4 because 7 of the numbers use 1 at the back, use 1 at the front, use 1 number at the second place here. So 7 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, we get just remaining 4 numbers available for this position. So here we have 360 way. Alright. So is it correctly we calculate like that? So if we calculate like that, we forget we have just another number 0 here. So to forming a 4-digit numbers, the fund here cannot accept 0. So this is not the full condition, the full consideration of the numbers. Just now we just consider whatever number also can put here. So we are getting some mistake. So again, when 4-digit numbers means our value cannot start with 0. So therefore, we have to reconsider at this position. We have total number of 7, 1 already used at the back. And then at the front here, we cannot pick 0. So we have remaining 5 choices only. Then we consider again for the second. So 7 numbers minus 2 numbers. Yes, you're getting 5. Then the third place here, 7 numbers. We minus 3 numbers that have been used. We get 4. So total up, we have 300 ways. So multiply. In conclusion, here we have 300 numbers that can be formed by these 4 digits given numbers here. So that's all for this. Thank you for watching.